first place on the list is Mahabaleshwara Swami temple. This temple is known to have one and only ATMALINGA in the world, and it is said to be established by Ravana. This temple is at Gokarna Beach, which is known to be the largest beach of Gokarna. The ambience is quite calm around the temple, and you will feel the energy near to the linga. One of the most important points that we have to keep in our mind before going to this temple is that dhoti is mandatory with white banyan for the gents. And for ladies, it is mandatory to wear sari, or else you will not be allowed to enter into the temple. Also, don't forget to get this flower.
So in case if you want to take the darshana and you don't have the dhoti, so you'll just come out of this gate and you will find a shop here. Okay, they have pancha. I can purchase it, and this road will take you towards Gokarna Beach.
The second place in our list is Gokarna Beach. Once you are done with the temple, then you can go to the Gokarna Beach right opposite to the temple. Take a walk, sit and relax, and head towards the next destination, which is less known to a lot of people, and it is quite close to this place, so do not miss it. So let's see that place in the third clip. Our third place in the list is Gogarbha Shiva Cave Temple. Wow! I mean, we were just mesmerized by this place once we reached there. It felt like as if we are going in a different world altogether. Approximately 1 kilometer far from Mahabaleshwara Swami temple, you need to take a route through a steep and narrow hill towards Kudle Beach View Resort, and right opposite to that resort, you will see a board of Shiva Cave Temple. Walk a bit and you will find an opening which will take you inside, where you will witness a small temple of Lord Shiva being lightened by the light rays of Lord Surya himself. So if you have watched this video till here, then it means that we have got your attention. Hence, before moving to our fourth destination, we would request you to please hype this video. If you are able to see this icon, then do hype our video to show some support and help this video to reach to the audience having same interest as yours. Also, if you are liking the content, quality, editing of this video, then we can share our experiences with you if you join our membership. These tutorials will only be for our exclusive members and will never make it public. So check the different level of membership along with the perks and join us today. Now let's move to our fourth destination. Our fourth destination is Kotiteertha Kalyani. Kotiteertha Kalyani has an important significance amongst the local Hindu community. This Kalyani is surrounded by temples, monasteries, coconut trees, with a mantapa in the center of the Kalyani. Since it is quite close to the Mahabaleshwara Swami temple, hence many devotees come here to take dip in the sacred water before visiting the temple of Lord Shiva. Our fifth destination in our list is the most famous beach of Gokarna. The main reason for visiting this place was to see this very beach. This is one wonder that everyone must see in their lifetime. This beach is in the shape of the sacred sound which is considered as the sound of creation. This is Om Beach. Our sixth destination in the list is Kudle Beach. This beach is best for staying in our perspective. This beach has good cafes where you can sit, sip your beer, watch the waves crashing at the shores, and enjoy variety of water sports like kayaking, speedboats, parasailing, and so on. We have provided all the details regarding the stay and water sport activities in the video showing above, so you can watch that. This beach is very calm and clean. Surrounded by the hills, it gives an island vibe altogether. During the evening time, the moonlight open sky with stars, cafe lights, and sound of waves crashing at the shore makes this place a perfect spot to party. This beach is just amazing. So when it comes to stay, always choose Kudle Beach. Our 7th destination in the list is Yana Cave. You can visit this cave while going to Honnavara, or else you can keep one separate day planned for this place. Trust us, you must not miss this place. This is one wonder in the middle of the forest which will make you feel as if you are in some other world. The caves are basically formed of cast limestone, and these caves are quite ancient. There is a mythological story associated with the formation of these caves, which we have already covered in our vlog of Honnavara. So you can click the link above and see that. Now let's enter in Honnavara, where you will find the 8th destination. Our next destination was recommended by a local, and he took us there in his auto rickshaw, passing through a small forest and a hill. We are not sure if you can feel the calmness of this place in this video, but trust us, this place was looking like a place from our dream, and the sunset made our experience magical. The clean sea water and shore was reflecting like mirrors. It was Ramanagindi Beach. Now the last destination of our entire trip gave us a perfect ending and memory. This was a beautiful boat ride with misty air and sunrise at Sharavati river. The entire experience was just wow. We covered Kerala spot, Lotus spot, and saw the mangroves. This ride was just amazing. We have covered all the details regarding this ride in the video showing above, so you can click the link and see that. With this, we will end our video, and we hope that our videos are adding value and justifying the time you're investing. If you have made it till here and not yet subscribed, then please join us now. We are really excited to share our travel experiences with you. So see you all again in our next video.